What's up, everybody? We are back. My name is Nick, and this is RC Crawler Craze. This is part 3 of the TRX4M Defender portal axle install. We're just going to speed right through it here. We'll put the hub extensions on, and looks nice. Looks nice. So I got some wheels. These are brass Beadlock INJORA wheels. Very nice. We're going to put them on our Defender here. And we're going to use the 64 by 24 tires. Let's assemble the wheels and tires and see what we got. Looks nice. Yeah. A little heavy. A little high. Okay, maybe we can adjust the shocks. Adjust the positioning. Got some good flex. Looky there. Okay, not bad. Let's see. We're going to reposition the shocks so it'll sit a little lower, not so high. All right, there we go. Nice. Damn. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching the TRX4M Defender portal axle install. Next video, we're going to run it and test them out.